Hey, fellow investors and fellow stock guardians. It's Thursday, April 15th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from a green stock market. Today, I took a look at the reasons why the indices finished the day in the green, dug into the upward potential of a stock I hold in my beaten down portfolio, and discussed why we shouldn't be surprised that Virgin Galactic has dropped by more than 60% from its all-time high record. All three indices finished today in the green, with the Nasdaq index leading the pack. There was quite a few good news. Earnings report were solid yesterday and today. The new jobless claim report came out at the lowest level since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic at around 576,000, and the retail sales jumped in March by almost 10%. All great news and all indicating economic recovery in the United States. If you remember a few months ago, I picked up a few shares of Salesforce.com after the stock got beaten down. I have been holding the stock for an opportunity to score an excellent return from this well-managed, cash-rich company that got beaten down undeservedly. Today, the stock jumped more than 2% after analysts from Zacks identified Salesforce.com as a stock with significant upside. The Zacks analyst agreed with me that as more companies transition to digital processes, the demand for Salesforce.com products is robust and continue to grow. Obviously, I'm not happy with just a 2% jump, and I'm holding the stock for the long term. I'd highly recommend you have a look at the company's stock card. Not only it has all green in its operational metrics such as sales, profit, and cash, but also notice its price to book value that is 30% lower than its comparable sector. It's a good company to add to your watch list if you're not holding a few shares with me. On the loser side, take a look at Virgin Galactic. The stock was once, and by once I mean only a few months ago, a darling of the stock market. It is now down by almost 65% from its all-time high of $62.8 per share. Today's stock price drop came after investors learned that Sir Richard Branson, the founder of the company, sold $150 million worth of shares. Typically, investors tend to tag such situations as an insider selling and interpret it as a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects. Richard Branson has now about 24% stake in the company through a few entities, and the shares that were sold today summed up about 2% of its stake. So first of all, compared to the stakes he owns through these four entities, 2% is not a big deal. However, when investors combine that with the news last month that the company's chairman also sold all his stakes in the company, it casts a doubt on the insider's commitment to the company's mission. Here's the situation, folks. When you invest in a company that has no product yet and is running high on hopes for a glorious future, you have to expect drastic price drops. There is no foundation to support the stock price beyond such glorious future of conquering the next frontier. This is the risk that comes with the territory of investing in high flyer hype stocks. I have a few shares of Virgin Galactic too. I have sold a lot of it when the stock hit record highs, and the remaining number of shares I have, I will hold until at least a good news arrives. It may take years, it may never happen, but hype stocks run on hype, and there is no timing to when the hype arrives. So let me know if you are also holding shares of Virgin Galactic and what's your strategy now that the stock has lost more than 65% of its value since its all-time high record. Folks, every Friday I meet with a few stock guardians at about 1 p.m. Pacific to discuss their stock market research questions and how the StockCard platform can help. I hope I see you there. Reserve your spot using the link in the show notes. If you'd like to give a stock card a try, research as many stocks that you want, and receive a stock pick ideas from successful investors, sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. As always, if you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, Please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. See you tomorrow.